Thanks for checking out Scotties Hobbies. Today I got a call about 7:30 p.m. on July 30th. That's today. Let me know that there was another fire here in Tracy, so I had to activate Scotty in the sky and get the drone up in the air and see what was going on. You can see this is a vegetation fire on the left side of the screen right there. That is going to be 205. On the far upper right of the screen, that is going to be Highway 5. So this is going to be 205-5 intersection here in Tracy towards Banta, more so than Tracy. We had South County Fire, Tracy PD, San Joaquin County Sheriffs, and CHP all out here at once attending to this fire. This is a non-structure, all vegetation fire. I didn't see any structures burning. You can see all that white smoke lets me know more of like vegetation burning. There's more moisture that's being burnt off. If I was seeing more of the darker plumes, such as on the left, I would think more of a structure and debris burning off, but I didn't see any structures on fire. And for some reason, I feel like this farmhouse area catches on fire every year. I don't know what's going on, but I'm almost sure darn near the last few years in a row, this place has caught on fire. I drive by it every day going to work, and like I said, it's on fire pretty often. Don't know what caused this fire, but it doesn't look like any structures burned down, so hopefully there wasn't too much loss or loss of anything. No lives, no structures, no wildlife, no pets or anything like that. So hopefully everything was good. But again, this is a fire, July 30th in Tracy. Another one you can see down there on the bottom of the screen. We got a few fire trucks. I'm flying about 200 feet in the air right now, almost 300 actually. I'm going to drop down and get to about 100 feet, get you guys a little bit better view, and swoop all the way around the fire, and you'll be able to see some good old flames going on. Over on more of the east side of the fire, we have some fire trucks trying to put some fire out. A lot of this is just the watch and wait type go at it of this fire. Let it burn itself out rather than get all hands on deck and start throwing water on this. It looked like they were more so just letting this thing burn itself out rather than fighting too much of the fire. Not that they weren't doing their jobs, but sometimes it's just easier to watch it, let it do its thing, burn off what it can, and just deal with it where we need to. South County Fire does a great job. They were responsive, very fast, like always, so there's no complaints on their end or on my end towards them. This is a fire in Tracy, another one here at the bottom of the screen, 205. The bottom lanes are the ones heading westbound 205. The top lanes right there are eastbound 205. And you can see a bunch of vegetation just burning off right here. If this video does tickle your fancy, make sure to like, subscribe, share, tell everybody about Scotty's Hobby, Scotty in the Sky. Check out the video library. I have a ton of automotive DIY videos, drone shots, family fun stuff, a ton of stuff in the video library. So make sure you check that out before you go. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies, and I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.